Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to use any Android smartphone as wireless security camera. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to have a Wi-Fi connection. So your smartphone must be connected with the Wi-Fi connections, that is the Wi-Fi internet connections. After that, what you need to do is you need to open any web browser and you need to visit to this website. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and log into this website. So once you visit to this website, you can see one application name as Wi-Fi camera. So when you scroll down below, you can see here a download APK. Just download and install these applications. As I've already downloaded and installed this application, so I'm not going to do it again. So you firstly download this application and install in your Android smartphones. Now on your Windows computer, what you need to do is firstly you need to connect to the Wi-Fi internet connection. So here I have a Wi-Fi internet connections, so I'll be connecting my computer firstly with my Wi-Fi internet connections. So you can see it's connected now. So now what you need to do on your Android smartphone where you have installed the applications, you need to open that applications named as Wi-Fi camera. So on opening the applications, you can see here open with browser. As you can see, open with browser. So you open any web browser in your computer too, and type the link in the address bar. Now once you type the address bar, that is the IP address, just hit enter on your computer keyboard. Now here you can see here a play options on your computer screen. Just click on it. So finally you can see the camera of your mobile, so you can monitor it just by doing this kind of actions, and you can get a live view of your mobile camera. So you can just stop it when you want to stop, and you can try playing it again if you wish to play. So you can see here now when I move the mobile, so you can see. So in this way you can easily use your mobile or any Android smartphones as a security camera, and you can monitor it in your computer very easily. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you are new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.